Alright, so we're back in the shop today, and today we're going to be installing these ISC coilovers on the Legacy.
Hey, we're going to be killing ourselves.
Ivan here is dealing with some Kia pains. He got some intake manifold colds on the daily. That's not what we're doing. We got these blast pipes on from Tina's car. So we're going to slam this like it got a couple fat bitches in it. And let's see how it goes. So we got the old suspension off. Here's the new suspension. Gonna measure everything up, set the heights. We're gonna drop it about 2 inches all the way around, and then get them on the car. I swear you can't make this shit up. I was installing this side, and for whatever reason, the holes are not lining up. The box says for this car, that'll focus. So I don't know why it's not matching up. I think I'm gonna just move the holes and then hope it works. This isn't ideal, but I had to drill these holes in order to be able to hold the coilover in. So now I'm going to get these installed, paint them, prep them, put them in.